Welcome to Sonic Tech, the Self-Learners Club. In this video we'll learn how to change the power and sleep settings on Windows 11. First, open Windows 11 settings. From the System option, open Power and Battery. Then, Screen and Sleep. The Screen and Sleep menu will reveal 2 to 4 options, depending on the type of PC you have. If you're on a battery-powered tablet PC or laptop, you'll see 4 options. If you're using a desktop PC, you'll see only 2 options. To set how long it takes for your screen to turn off, if your PC is inactive, click the drop-down menu beside, on battery power, turn my screen off after, and select a time period, such as 5 minutes. Similarly, use the drop-down menu labeled, when plugged in, turn my screen off after, to choose a screen turn-off time for when your computer is hooked to a steady power supply. If you never want the screen to turn off, select Never. On this same page, you can also configure your PC to go to sleep after a certain time period as well, if you'd like. Sleeping is a special low-power state where your computer stops running tasks but can be resumed quickly when you need it. When you're done, close Settings. From now on, when your PC sits idle for the length of time you specified, your monitor or screen will turn off automatically. To turn it back on, wiggle your mouse, tap your screen, or tap a key like the space bar.